Namaste. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to today's topic. Today we are going to talk about Hatha Yoga Pradipika. We are going to talk very details about Hatha Yoga Pradipika. We will make many series of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. We go one by one and all the details about Hatha Yoga Pradipika. In Hatha Yoga, there are many traditional textbooks of Hatha Yogas are there. Hatha Yoga Pradipika is one of them. It was written around 15th century AD. Swami Swatmaram was the writer of this textbook. If you translate the word Hatha Yoga Pradipika to English, it's called Light on Hatha Yoga. But the word Pradipika, it means illumination to the self or illuminated. This textbook have 4 chapters, or you can say according to the textbook it's a Upadeshas. There are 4 Upadeshas in the textbook. In the first chapter, in the first Upadesha, the name of the Upadesha is called Asanam. But before teaching asanas, Swami Swatmaram do the prayer to the salutation to his master. And after that he explained the traditions of Hatha Yoga. In the first chapter, verse 1, it says, Upadeshta Hatha Yoga Sri Adinathaya Namah Astu Tasmai Yena Upadeshta Hatha Yoga. It means Swami Swatmaram prays to the Adinatha. Adinatha is one of the name of Lord Shiva, and he is the first guru of Hatha Yoga. Lord Shiva is the first guru of Hatha Yoga, and before Swatmaram ji teaching the Hatha Yoga or teaching the asanas, he pray to his master or pray to his guru Sri Adinath or Lord Shiva. The prayer to the masters before teaching is called Mangalacharana. Before doing anything good or before doing anything, you have to pray to the divine or you have to pray to the God. That one is called Mangalacharana. Then after that, Swami Swatmaram says in the second verse, Pranamya Sri Gurunatham Swatmarayamena Yogina Kevalam Rajayogaya Hatha Vidya Upadishyate. Here Swami Swatmaram prays to his master. After that he said, these Hatha Yoga practices, or he teaching the Hatha Yoga practices only for the Raja Yoga. We will talk very details about Raja Yoga when we are going to talk about Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Here Swami Swatmaram says The Hatha Yoga practices only for the Samadhi. All Hatha Yoga practices are the preparation for the Samadhi, or to get the higher state of consciousness, or to achieve the supreme consciousness. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namaste. Thank you everyone.